Get the best synthetic oil and filter for any car or truck. AmSoil provides better cold cranking viscosity, helping improve wear protection for engine components at startup. An independent lab put AmSoil Signature Series synthetic motor oil to the test, comparing it directly against a leading competitor over 100,000 miles. The results? AmSoil delivered significantly better wear protection, outperforming the competition. AmSoil guarantees protection for personal vehicles up to 25,000 miles, 700 hours, or 1 year, whichever comes first, under normal use, and up to 15,000 miles, 700 hours, or 1 year, whichever comes first, under severe service, which includes commercial or fleet use, excessive idling, or frequent towing, hauling, plowing, or driving in dusty conditions. Upgrade your synthetic oil and filter by visiting searchforparts.com, where you can search the correct oil type, capacity, and filter for your car or truck.